Would you mind addressing the so much more abundant claim? Uranium is easy to mine despite rarity. Is thorium easy to mine too? Well, in theory, yes, you could mine thorium easily. It's 3 times more abundant than uranium, but the technology that's been developed has really been for uranium because there's been a commercial need for it, but there's not been a large commercial need for thorium, and so there just isn't as much investment in thorium extraction. You could do it while you're extracting other elements from the earth. One of the things to keep in mind that's exciting about uranium is that it's far more water soluble. You might think, well, that sounds bad. But why that's exciting is that that means that when the rain erodes the surface soil, it's going to take uranium with it. So that there's something like 4 billion tons of uranium in the ocean, which according to modern research, again, because there's a need for uranium, that can be economically extracted. There are at least one publication, I'll put the reference in the comments, there's at least one publication that says using their technique, it can be done at the same price point as digging a hole in the ground and getting uranium the traditional way. And so that, for all intents and purposes, makes nuclear renewable because that is continually reproduced by plate tectonics. Just like geothermal. And geothermal is renewable, but most geothermal energy actually comes from radioactive decay of uranium. But if we use the uranium that's passively removed by runoff into the ocean, and allow ourselves to use that much and fold in the depleted uranium from historical use, then it becomes not just only renewable, but sustainable. So uranium is more exciting, but that's largely because it's just had much more research and development because there's been a commercial need for it. But the commercial need for thorium has not really been there, even though, yes, it's 3 times more abundant than uranium. It just hasn't had the research and development to make it as cost effective or as attractive as uranium. So thanks for that comment. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.